Good morning, everybody. Like and Strive here, Rebel Drifter, and yeah, small little look into the batteries that I use for the BattleAero Drift Kart. This is a Samsung battery, 72 volts, 49 amp hour battery. This is a pretty heavy one, so I decided to go for a smaller battery, but at least now you know the specs from this one. It comes with a specific charger, and around 4 to 5 hours it's completely full when it's completely empty. And it has the QS8 plug, which BattleAero already uses on their engine or their motor. Then I bought this one through Amazon, which is a 72 volt 20 amp hour, so a lot less running time, but I haven't completely fully tested it. The Amazon seller actually built the QS8 plug for me on there as well. And then you have your charging port, and then you have the charger right here. So these are the batteries that I'm using right now. At least this one I'm trying to sell. And this one is one that actually fits into the little square area underneath your legs, in between your butt and the steering wheel. So that works a ton. I just have Velcro underneath, and then it's also very light. It's not super heavy. So that works a ton. And then this one has a max current of 110 amps. And then this one I actually don't know. I think we did speak with the Amazon seller. I have it noted down somewhere on a text file, but I don't remember it at the top of my head. It's early in the morning, and I just wanted to make this video real quick for people who are wondering about these battery packs. So there you go. Shouldn't be too difficult. The only thing that you have to be aware of is how you set them up in the Far Driver app. Please join my Facebook page. It's called BattleAero Drift Kart Owners Club, aka Bad Cock, and I'll see you there. Leave a like and subscribe.